Namaste friends, today we'll discuss the key answers of English language paper 2. It is compulsory for TET exam. So first the passage is given and here the question starts from 31 to 38. So the first question is, the fox thought that the mother duck was hurt when the mother duck, option 3 is correct, began to walk back and forth dragging one wing on the ground. 32 question. The mother duck ran leading the fox away from the lake because second option is correct. It wanted to save its duckling's life. 33rd question. The story highlights option 3 is correct. The care of the mother duck. 34th question. The phrase back and forth means first option is correct. To move first in one direction and then in the opposite one. 35th question. The mother duck wondered what to do. The infinitive in the above sentence is fourth, to do. The word in the text which takes dis as a prefix is second option is correct, belief, disbelief. That's given in the passage itself. 37th question. The mother duck stopped and took a deep breath. The parts of speech of the underlined word is given in the sentence. It is adjective. Fourth, deep is an adjective. The fox couldn't reach the ducklings because they were in the middle of the lake. So the question should be the underlined word underlined part of the sentence. The first option is correct. Why couldn't the fox reach the ducklings? So now the poem begins. The poem question starts from 39 to 45. The poem is I wonder. Now the first question, 39th question. The speaker in the poem is sun. The person is wondering. First option is correct. Why the wind is never seen. 41st question. The central idea of this poem is a child's curiosity. 42nd question. Trees take a rest means, third option is correct, sit fixed to the ground. The rhyming word for wonder is yonder. 44th question. Dash and hangs a fluffy cloud so high. So here the answer is adjective. The word won't in the contracted form of will not. Okay, here it ends the poem questions. Now we have to choose in the appropriate options given. The first question. The flour used to make bread from a wheat plant. The correct verb is. First option is correct. Can you ride a motorbike? Second option is correct. The question mark. The economy of India is based on farming. Second option is right. Anush is the dash boy in the class. The is given here. So if the is given, tallest is the correct option. 50th question. The man is poor but honest. First option is correct. 51st question. The abbreviation ELT stands for English language teaching. Now friends, 52nd question. In the second language scenario, the focus is usually on. Sorry, I have marked it wrong here, but the right answer is fluency first. First option is right here. 53rd question. There is a difference in the length of vowel sounds. This statement is true. Second option. The number of diphthongs in English are 8. The topic sentence of the following paragraph is missing. Write an appropriate topic sentence after reading the rest of the paragraph. The correct answer is fourth, reading comprehension. LAC approach is found to be an interesting area to ease the process of learning. Second option is correct. LAC stands for Language Across Curriculum. 57th question. A teacher uses many teaching learning resources in the teaching of English. The more useful TLM in developing the vocabulary among the student is thesaurus. It means dictionary. 58th question. There are many approaches and methods in language teaching. Among them, the one that focuses more on developing communication skills is communicative language teaching. 59th question. Developing the reference skills among learners is required to become less dependent in learning. This is a need to list and grade the elements of the reference skills. So, the most required reference skill to be taught at the beginner's level is looking up a dictionary. Developing imagination is an important objective of language teaching. The text type that helps developing imagination is stories. Thank you very much for joining.